Hello everyone, at this moment I explain you Unit 3 Poem Run. This chapter is talking about sports only. How well you are in sports. In this poem, the main matter is about the sports which I told you above. Especially, they have mentioned running here. For your kind information, our character is Nasruddin who wants to run in this run poem. First stanza. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Explanation. Nasruddin wants to run so far away from the city. But under the sun, he doesn't want to run in the country, means the village here. It is his dream to run away from the city as well as beside the village where the pathway is going or pass by the village. Second stanza. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Explanation. Curiously, Nasruddin wants to run. Meanwhile, the rain is raining, means under the rain, just as raindrops touch him, and he feels good and joy. He loves to run below tree and its shades. He wants to race how we can run here and there. When we contented or happy, when we excited, when we are running. He wants to run with airflow, means breeze here, or we can say wind, with the pressure of air or against of air when the running goes through, by Nasruddin. Third stanza. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Explanation. Uncommonly, Nasruddin climb on hillside or cliff. In the slang language, we can say the small mountain slope side. He is fond of running, therefore he wants to run everywhere, on the pathway, on the parkway. That's the synonyms of lane. He wished that he wanted to run on grassland or grassy field. That's called meadow inside of our poem. And then Nasruddin turned back or come back when he finished all of this area. Last stanza. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Explanation. Ergo, the Nasruddin feasts himself because he runs, that makes him happy or merry, we can say. Whole day he wants to run entire country. Then he wants to run so far till the end of the country. Now we are moving on new words. Raindrops means a drops of rain or water which come from the sky. Neath or in the counts beneath, meaning at a lower level. Breeze meaning a gentle wind. Hillside means the sloping side of the hill. Meadow means a piece of grassland. Merry means cheerful. Question answer. Reading is fun. What does the poem tell us to do? Answer. The poet tells us to run throughout the day away from the city toward the countryside. Second, write about the place where the poet wants to run. Answer is the poet wants to run toward the countryside, under the trees, down the hillside, up the street through the meadow.